Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to make a pair of earrings using these tribal pendants. I will also use some jump rings and some fishhook ear wires. Let's begin making the first earring. To make the earring, I will need a pair of pliers and the jump ring opener, and I will take the jump ring and open it. Now I will put the jump ring through the pendant like this. And I will also add the fishhook ear wire this way. Now I will grab the jump ring with the pliers and I will close it with the jump ring opener. I will make sure that the jump ring closes, that it is closed perfectly. And now, as you can see, our first earring is ready. I will use the same steps to create the second earring, and then we shall see our finished earrings. And these are our finished earrings. I will show you how to create a pair of dangle earrings using metal charms, metal beads. I will also use turquoise and coral beads, and we will also need some findings. For these earrings I will need a fishhook ear wire, I will need an eye pin, and I will need some jump rings. Let's begin to make the first earring. I will take the eye pin, if the eye pin is sometimes not straight, you can use the chain nose pliers to make the eye pin straight. And I will start by putting the beads on the eye pin. So I put the coral bead, then the metal bead, and then the turquoise bead. And now I will create a loop above the turquoise bead, and in order to create the loop I will have to cut a little bit of this wire. This way. And now I will bend the wire to 90 degrees using the chain nose pliers, and in order to prevent the breakage of the last bead of the turquoise bead, I will leave about a millimeter distance between the last bead and the place where I bent the wire. You will also have to take care that the direction where you bend the wire, so that the two loops will be in the same plane. So let's bend the wire like this. So as you can see, the wire is bent to 90 degrees and it is in the same plane with the loop. And now I will remove the chain nose pliers and take the round nose pliers, the ones that are rounded here. I will grab the end of my wire and start rolling around the pliers in order to create the loop. Like this. I do not close the loop, I leave the loop open, and on this loop I will put the fishhook ear wire. And now I can close the loop. Like this. So as you can see, I have attached the fishhook ear wire to my eye pin. And the next step is to attach the charm to the loop of the eye pin. I will take a jump ring and open it. So I will grab the jump ring with the chain nose pliers, and I will take the jump ring opener and open this jump ring like this. And now on the open jump ring I will put the charm and also the loop of my eye pin this way. And now we can close the jump ring this way. I will press again with the chain nose pliers on the two ends of my jump ring so that they align. And as you can see, our first earring is ready. So this is our first dangle earring. Now we have to simply follow the same steps in order to create the second earring. So let's continue creating the second earring. And here we have our finished dangle earrings. I will show you how to make a pair of earrings, turtle earrings. These are some very simple earrings. We should use those charms, metal charms, some jump rings, and the fishhook ear wires. To make the earrings, we begin by opening the jump ring. So I will grab the jump ring at the point where the two ends of the ring meet. I grab it with the chain nose pliers and I will open the jump ring using the jump ring opener. Now I will put the jump ring through the charm. Let's open the jump ring a bit more. I will put the jump ring through the charm and I will also put the fishhook ear wire on the jump ring. And now we shall close the jump ring. I will grab again the jump ring with the pliers, and by means of the jump ring opener I will close back the jump ring. Now I will make sure that the two ends of the jump ring are aligned, and our first earring is ready. So this is our first earring. Now I shall follow the same steps to create the second earring, and we shall have a beautiful pair of turtle earrings. Let's continue with the second earring, using exactly the same steps. And these are the finished earrings with the turtle charms. I hope you liked this video and see you in my next video.